Hello Casio fans from all over the world. Budget diver watch from the early 90s. Digital date on analog display. Stay tuned to find out more. We have here a diver watch from the late 80s. The bezel has partially lost its colors, but the glass looks untouched. I am so curious to find out more about this MW-501. This case is made of stainless steel and the design looks more like an yachting watch rather than a diver one. Another feature that proves my remark would be the golden screws and the crown. For sure, taking in consideration its age, the colors are faded. The crown position is also atypical. I guess this is because at 3 o'clock we have the digital date. This is a day-date watch, en français. The markers are with lume and doubled by a golden shape. The same is for the hands. The glass, I suppose, is made of crystal, hence there are no scratches. It also has magnifying feature as the diver watches. I am somehow sad because the hands present some oxidation, and it would be hard for me to clean them. I am afraid to remove the crown. The golden markers are placed on a dark gray background, and the Casio's features and digits are written in green or gray. In regards to the dimensions, we have a 40mm case and a lug-to-lug of 39. It is a thin watch, having only 9mm. This is how the lume looks in the dark. I have to highlight that the photo was taken under complete dark and with a lume recharged from the phone's light. Therefore, you will not be seeing this strong lume too often. The model number is 343, and as mentioned previously, this model is shared also with a diver watch called MMA-200W from this period as well. Further search on Google, we have also the MW-112, which someone states that it is from 1970s. Not sure about this date. Besides the analog watch, we have the day and date. Surprise! There is also the year. But for this watch, Casio has predicted end of the world in 2020, and we are reviewing it in 2024. I am so curious how the alarm is being set up. I will have to check. Okay, closer look on it, I have found more features. In the timekeeping mode on the small display, we have the date. One rotation of the crown towards 12 o'clock we get in the alarm menu. Pull out the crown for one click and you have the possibility to set up the alarm. Rotating the crown towards 6 o'clock, we select the desired value. And rotating it towards 12 o'clock, we switch to the next digit. To save, we have to push the crown. To rotation of the crown towards 12 o'clock, we get in the dual time mode. To set up, pull out the crown for one click, then to set it up we have to follow previous instructions. 3 rotations of the crown, we have the seconds. To set up, same as in previous steps. I still cannot believe that Casio managed to squeeze a digital watch in that small display. Pull out the crown for 2 clicks and we adjust the watch as we are all used. But it's not my case. Nothing moves. Here we have 2 options. Either something is broken, either I am doing something wrong. No worries. We will just wait for the next 20 hours and done. It is adjusted. The strap. The strap is missing. I do not have the original one. Let's find one suitable for it. In my stock I have these 20mm NATO straps. Let's check the black one. Or maybe the blue one. Let's see also this leather one. Which one looks better? Yes, I have chosen the blue one. I will wait for your opinion in the comment section. Now that we have chosen the strap, let's see the back. Model and model name, water resistance, which is 100 meters depth, and it's made in Japan. There is also a digit code and an arrow which has to be next to the crown. For this watch, if we open it, we see some missing parts. For example, the screw that secures the battery and the gasket is also missing. No more water resistance. But I am sure I can find one gasket with the required dimensions. Very rare watch. The model seems qualitative, therefore expensive. But the rest I would say it's less qualitative, not sure. I will let you decide in the comment section. Thank you for your attention, wishing you the best.